Within word sort 40 has word endings in DGE and GE. They also have words that have an RGE, LGE, and NGE in the spelling. So let's sort the word. Badge. The officer had a badge with his number on it. It ends in DGE, so it's sorted in that column. Cage. The tiger was in a great big cage. Cage ends in GE, just GE, so it's sorted in that column. The next word is bulge. I had an apple in my pocket and it caused it to have a bulge in it. It ends in an LGE, so it goes in the third column. The next word is bridge. I crossed the bridge over the water. It ends in DGE, so it will go in the first column. The next word is huge. Huge. I have a huge smoothie today. Huge. It ends in GE. Even though it has a different sound, it is still ending in GE. The next word is change. In the morning, I put on my clothes for school and change out of my PJs, except on pajama day. It ends in NGE. Dodge. We don't play dodgeball at school anymore because people get hurt. Dodge. It ends in DGE. So it goes in that column. The next word is range. If you have a great big field where cattle graze, that is also called the range. It ends in GE, so it goes, actually it ends in NGE, so it goes in that column. Next word is page. I read another page in the book. It ends in just GE, so it goes in the middle column. Rage. When you are in a rage, you are very, very angry. It ends in GE, so it goes in that column. The next word is charge. I will charge that new shirt on my new card, credit card. It ends in RGE, so it's going to go in that column. The next word is fudge. I absolutely love fudge. It ends in DGE, so it's on the first column. Judge. The judge is someone who sits in a court and makes decisions. It ends in DGE, so it goes in the first column. The next word is sponge. The nurse will give you a frozen sponge to make your arm that is sore feel better. It ends in NGE, so it goes in the third column. The next word is stage. We get on a stage when we perform our musicals. Stage ends in GE, so it goes in the middle column. The next word is ridge. If you're looking over a dip in the land of grass, it ends in DGE, and it'll be in the first column. The last word is surge. A surge is like an electrical current that is sparked by similar to lightning. It ends in RGE and it goes in that column. Good luck on your test.